Unboxing Anbernic game console handheld. Anbernic Rg503 open source handheld game console, 4.95 inches OLED screen support. Let's just open it and unboxing. Sealed by itself. How can I open this? Okay. Okay. I got an idea. Yeah. Yeah. Let's just try to open it. Yeah. Wow. Very sealed. Okay. Okay, here's my unboxing. Yan. Nakasealed pa siya, oh. Ayan. Yan, game console Anbernic Rg503 Let's just open it. Ayan. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. Ayan. Let's just take a photo. Ayan. Sealed itself. Okay, let's just open another ones. Okay. Thank to seller. Thanks. I think I'm still waiting within a few days. I think within 1 week ago, or between 8 days ago and 9 days before I got this, or I received this item. Oh my gosh. Sorry for this unboxing because I hold my phone and one of my hand I hold the scissor to cut the bubble wrap. Very secure, so sealed. Yes. Oh my gosh. I feel like, wow. That is exciting. Wow. Okay, let me check to open it. Before I open it, let's just take a look. Focus. Yeah. Wow. Yan. Okay. Okay, let's just open it. Anbernic. Here's a model Anbernic. The brand Anbernic and the model number. What the inside of the box? Okay, take a look again. Okay, let's just open it. Wow, I'm so excited. I just wanted to cut it and take a picture before I open this. Okay, let's just take a picture. Yeah. Okay, let's just open what's inside the box. Here the USB Type-C cable, and sabi may tempered glass. The description of the oh my goodness, the game console has a tempered glass. It's free. Yeah, like, oh my goodness. And here's the manual. Yeah, and memory card is a lot, 64 gig. Wow, made in. Okay, just focusing it. Okay, made in. Oh, sorry guys. Made in Korea. I think this is the branded. Some of them are made in China. It has a tempered glass, 64 gig memory card slot. I mean memory card. The inside the box is USB cable Type-C and tempered glass with a memory card, nano memory card, 64 gig for the game. Oh, before I forget, here is a manual on how to use it, and no other inside box, nothing. Okay, yeah, it's hard. Wow, I'm so much excited. Wow, this is like a PSP. Look, wow, wow. This light very heavy, very heavy. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's just try to click. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. Anbernic Li-polymer battery. Yeah. $3,500 mAh. Nice. Very nice. Yeah. Oh my gosh. It has a little scratches. Have you seen it? Do you see? It has a little scratches. I think it has already installed a look. It has a tempered plastic tempered, not a glass, because it has already a pre-tempered glass. Okay, for the LCD secure to avoid the little scratches. Here's a USB Type-C and HDMI, I think. Yeah, and earphone jack, OTG. Yeah, and reset. There, this is a warranty sticker. If you open this console to repair or change, yeah, this is a sticker to avoid to repair the receiver. Yes, it has a warranty sticker. Yeah, yeah. Okay, let's just check it again. Ayan. Oh my goodness, yeah. Yeah, very nice.